Okay, welcome back to the morning session. Before we continue with the program for today, I want to introduce Professor Steve Harding from the Bioscience Department at the University of Nottingham, and he's one of the member organizers for this conference, and he's the chairman of the Royal Society of Chemistry, Felix Frank Biotechnology Medal Committee. And so he's going to present an award, and I'll leave you to speak. I don't know all the details there.
Yeah, the awards to Yuval Elani. Yuval, do you want to join us on stage? So it gives me great pleasure to present the 2021 Felix Franks Biotechnology Medal on behalf of the Royal Society of Chemistry. It's an award that we give annually to young scientists who have made an outstanding contribution in the field of chemical biology. Now, Felix Franks was formerly Professor of Botany here. He was well known for his work on water. He produced a four-volume treatise on water and became known as Water Franks. He was also well known for his work in developing freezing technologies for the preservation of biopharmaceuticals and other biologicals, and also for work in carbohydrate biotechnology. And the award really is in recognition of those achievements of Felix. It's an award which is sponsored and endowed by the Franks family. Now, this is the third year of the award, and we were overwhelmed by the quality of the nominations. But one nomination stood above all the others, and that was Yuval Elani for his outstanding work in the development of what are known as bottom-up technologies for the design of functional synthetic cells, which is what he's going to be telling us about in a second. So, Yuval, it's a great honour for me to present you with the 2021 Royal Society of Chemistry Felix Franks Biotechnology Medal.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'd just like to thank you, Stephen, for this amazing honour. Really pleased. At the same time, I feel a bit embarrassed because, it's not my work, it's my team's work. But I'll make sure, when we get back to London, to take them all out for dinner and drinks to celebrate. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah.
But well done once again.
Thanks.
Yes, well, congratulations, Yuval, and I'm glad that you got this award. And let's move with the program. Today, I think you have a very interesting talk, this building a new biology and design and construction of synthetic cells.
Yep.
Welcome. All the floor is yours.
Cool.